Okay, let's talk about fuse box holders. Another Blue Sea. It's good quality. I bet, boy, it's expensive. I've seen it from $42 to $72. But this one here, I just seen this. I just looked up a price. You get this for $17 and like 19 cents right today. That may change over time. Of course, I bought one. I'm like the guinea pig. What could I say? Should you buy it? From what I've seen so far, in my experience of 50 years of being a mechanic, yeah, I think it's pretty good quality for the money. It comes with all these back fuses, connectors, 4 bolts. Get your cover. Everything looks pretty good quality. You know, it seems to take a little bit of force to get those in there. You know, it's not real loose on these are definitely not loose. So I think it's definitely worth a good look at. Of course, I bought it, and I'm going to use it. I think it's pretty nice. It's not a cheap plastic. It's like a nylon, reinforced nylon plastic is what I would call that. At least it looks nice. But you know, I'm just giving you some heads ups. You know, everybody's going to need one. You know, if you're building an RV or cargo trailer, and you definitely want to fuse everything. I just want to give you a heads up, you know. Well, this sun's really coming through now. Should you buy it? Let's see if I can get it. Yeah, the sun. Yeah, there we go. That sun's horrible today. I know my lighting is terrible. It's like, should I buy a nice camera light or buy more solar items? Of course, solar items seem to win. I like my man toys. I like tinkering. Anyways, should you buy it? I would say right now, yes. Like I said, the fuses are definitely tight in there. It's not going to be a loose connection. Definitely. So, well, I thought I would give you my view on this. You may have kind of looked at them yourself. Should I buy it? Shouldn't I? Should I spend the big bucks and go with the Blue Sea? So I thought I'd give you this little video so you can decide, and I'm going to leave you a link down there under the description. That's that's affiliate link, you know. Make a few pennies. Haven't made dollars yet, but I make a few pennies here and there. It doesn't cost you a penny. So, of course, that's good for anything you buy. It just doesn't have to be this. So if you use any kind of my links over there, that would be appreciated. All right. See you in the next video. Any questions? Leave them down in the comments, and I'll get back with you. It doesn't have to be just on this. Anything solar related. I'll try to steer you the correct way. Thank you for watching.